smallest bird on Earth. The natural world is full of wonders, from towering elephants to vast whales in the oceans. The world's smallest bird, bee hummingbird, Melissega heleni, found in Cuba. The bee hummingbird may be the smallest bird on Earth, but it leaves a mighty impression. Its dazzling appearance, rapid flight, and vital ecological role make it one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Found only in a limited region of the world, this tiny bird highlights the importance of conservation and the delicate balance of ecosystems. The bee hummingbird is truly minute. Males measure approximately 5.5 centimeters (2.2 inches) in length and weigh 1.6 to 1.9 grams. Females are slightly larger, measuring around 6.1 centimeters (2.4 inches) and weighing about 2.6 grams. Despite its small size, the bee hummingbird boasts stunning iridescent feathers. The bee hummingbird is renowned for its extraordinary flight abilities. It beats its wings about 80 times per second during normal hovering and can exceed 200 beats per second during courtship dives. This rapid movement produces the characteristic humming sound that gives hummingbirds their name. To fuel its high-energy lifestyle, the bee hummingbird feeds almost continuously throughout the day. Its primary food source is nectar, which it extracts from a wide variety of flowering plants. By inserting its long, specialized tongue deep into flowers, the bird draws up nectar while simultaneously aiding in the pollination process. Despite their tiny size, bee hummingbirds play a huge ecological role. As they feed, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating cross-pollination. This mutualistic relationship benefits both the bird and the plant species, maintaining the health of ecosystems in their native habitats. The bee hummingbird's breeding season generally runs from March to June. Males engage in dramatic aerial displays to attract females, flying in arcs or loops and producing unique whistling sounds with their tail feathers. Once mating is successful, the female assumes all responsibilities related to nesting and rearing the young. She builds a tiny cup-shaped nest, about the size of a quarter, using plant fibers, spider silk, and lichen. This elasticity and strength make the nest resilient to environmental factors. She typically lays 2 white eggs, each about the size of a coffee bean. The incubation period lasts 14 to 23 days, depending on environmental conditions. Once hatched, the chicks are altricial, blind, featherless, and entirely dependent on their mother. They fledge the nest in about 18 to 38 days. The bee hummingbird is native to Cuba and the nearby Isla de la Juventud, thriving in a range of habitats from lowland forests and mountain edges to coastal regions and gardens. They prefer areas rich in flowering plants, as these provide ample nectar sources. The bee hummingbird holds a special place in Cuban culture. Known locally as the zunzuncito, it is cherished as a symbol of beauty, resilience, and love. Its vibrant plumage and lively behavior have inspired countless poems, songs, and artworks. In Cuban folklore, it is believed that seeing a zunzuncito brings good luck and a sign of affection, making it a beloved figure in both rural and urban communities. Birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts from around the world visit Cuba with the hope of glimpsing this elusive bird in its native habitat.